Yo guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. As you can see by the title, today we're doing a bike check on the Nike C100. So yeah, we're just on the strip here. So yeah, let's get right into it.
Zero B Beats.
The first thing I'm going to be going through on my bike is my brake. I've got an SLX brake, sharp, yeah. And I've got these grips, ODI grips. Yeah, and I've got some donuts. So I got this wake stem. It's cheap, but it's really like good quality and does the job. As you can see, I've got a Hope top cap bolt, Hope spacers under here. And yeah, these bars are nuke-proof bars. You can get them on chain reaction cycle for about £25, so yeah, good bars. Well, oh, the seat. This is the collective bikes. The seat, obviously right now it's not out, but you soon be able to order it. Yeah, you soon be able to order it. So yeah. Now, the rims. These rims got Maverick rims. Good quality. I'm gonna be getting some Hope rims soon. Hope hubs to go with the skewers. And yeah, moving on to the skewers, I got Hope skewers. Can't really see on the other side, but got a Hope skewers. Yeah, and yeah, pedals. Got the DMR V6s in black. Might need to get some new ones soon because when you spin it, yeah. And yeah, annoying. So yeah, what else have I not gone through? Oh, Hope seat clamp. It's very good quality, bit overpriced, but yeah. Oh, what's good? The frame. This frame is a Nike C100 frame. At Sunday, Nike and Collective did a collab, so then they built this frame. This is made over the Air React 270s, made from the what's that word? So basically the shoes are the colour of my bike, basically. Yeah. So yeah, you can't buy these. They're only 1 of 8 in the world. Yeah, so this has been the bike check. Hope you enjoyed it. Right now we're just gonna get some clips on the strip. And yeah, be mashing some work. Let's get right into it. That's the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.